Imagine this, a car that not only learns your driving habits, but also predicts maintenance issues before they even happen. All of this, while delivering a real-world running cost of just 1.2 rupees per kilometer. The 2027 Hyundai Elantra, with its AI-powered hybrid system, is truly set to be a game-changer for India. This isn't just another new sedan, it's a genuine peek into the future of automotive intelligence. Making its global debut, it's already sending ripples across the entire industry. For years, the Elantra defined what a premium sedan could be for Indian buyers. And after a brief hiatus, Hyundai is bringing it back, reimagined for the AI era. This isn't just a simple refresh. No, we're talking about a completely new platform, a groundbreaking full hybrid powertrain and AI integration that truly lives up to its name. Globally, it's being hailed as the most technologically advanced sedan in its class. And for India, this means we're finally getting a taste of cutting-edge automotive AI that actually makes a difference in your daily drive. Expect the 2027 Hyundai Elantra to officially launch here in India by the second quarter of 2027, with deliveries beginning right before the festive season. This vehicle is perfectly timed to capture the growing demand for efficient, smart, and feature-rich sedans, especially from buyers in cities like Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Delhi who spend hours navigating dense traffic. Now, let's talk numbers, the kind that truly matter to you. The headline-grabbing figure, of course, is that astonishing 1.2 rupees per kilometer running cost. How does it achieve this? Well, the Elantra Hybrid uses an advanced AI energy management system that constantly learns your typical routes and driving patterns. For instance, if your daily commute is under, say, 30 kilometers and you charge its small, yet efficient battery overnight, the AI will prioritize pure electric propulsion. This makes that 1.2 rupees per kilometer a very real, very frequent experience. This is what makes it a genuine urban warrior, significantly slashing your fuel bills. For longer trips, or when the battery drains, the powerful 1.6-liter petrol engine seamlessly kicks in, working in tandem with the electric motor to deliver an impressive blended highway mileage of 24.5 kilometers per liter. Compare that to a typical petrol sedan giving you 6 to 7 rupees per kilometer or a diesel at 8 rupees per kilometer, and the Elantra savings are truly massive. But beyond just the efficiency, the AI in this car does so much more. And this is where it truly gets mind-blowing. The Elantra features a predictive maintenance system. It doesn't just tell you when something is wrong. It actually anticipates potential issues. Using an array of sensors constantly monitoring everything from brake pad, wear patterns to subtle changes in engine vibration and fluid consistency, the AI can alert you to a potential fault weeks, sometimes even months, before it becomes a real problem. Imagine knowing your brake pads need replacing before they even start squealing, or catching a minor engine anomaly before it turns into a major breakdown. That's a game changer for long-term ownership costs and peace of mind. Nobody really talks about this level of predictive maintenance in reviews, but it's a huge hidden saving. The Elantra will also offer a generous 480-liter boot space, perfect for family road trips or your weekly grocery haul. Ground clearance, a crucial factor for Indian roads, is a respectable 165 millimeters, certainly enough to tackle most speed breakers without a second thought. And for safety, you can expect nothing less than a projected 5-star global NCAP rating, a testament to Hyundai's commitment to passenger protection. Now, let's break down the pricing. The 2027 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is expected to launch with an ex-showroom price starting from 22.8 lakh rupees for the base Elantra Hybrid EX variant, going up to 26.5 lakh rupees for the top-end Elantra Hybrid SX. Oh, let's consider the popular mid-range Elantra Hybrid SX, which is likely to be priced at 24.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Adding RTO, insurance, and other charges, you